Hey everyone, this is Erik Burton with erikburton.com. I just wanted to go over a few of my affiliate marketing commissions that I've made in 2023. Now, I don't do this a lot, but I am surprised a lot of times that how well it does work when it does come in. So this is one that I got that was a high ticket product. I think it was about $2,499, something like that. And this is the partial payment that I got paid, and I actually already received this payment, and I didn't even realize this was in the Digistore account that I set up. But do you want to know how I received this? I actually just did a couple of videos on YouTube about this information, and I had a sale. So things do work definitely. Here are some more of my various income streams from affiliate marketing. As you can see, payments of $287 consistently through my Stripe account. Now, I've been doing this for a while, and I don't like to really brag or show too much of this, but I just want you to understand that if you're getting information from me, if you're getting some type of ebook or that type of thing from me, I just really want to help you to understand how it's very possible to earn income online. And this was another partial payment. I don't know exactly why they do this, but you have a lot at your disposal with anything that I give to you, either in an email or in an ebook. So make sure that you click on the link in the information to get your free copy of the ebook and or information on how you can learn how to take what we call cash arbitrage and turn $1 into $2 or $1 into $3 and so forth and so on. So click on the link in the description below. This is Erik Burton with erikburton.com. Have a great day, guys and gals.